Hi, in this video I will show you how to recover disabled TikTok account. So the process is pretty simple. So here is the 2 point. Like if you disabled your TikTok account by yourself, you can simply get it by logging to your TikTok account. But if you don't and your account is disabled or suspended by the TikTok, you can simply follow this procedure. You have to open the sport of the TikTok from the three dot, and once you will do it, now scroll up and click on the report a problem. Now once you will here, now you have to click on the account and the profile. You will see multiple options here. You have to click on the login, and here you will see multiple options. Simply click on the suspended account. So read it and make sure you did any spam on your TikTok account, and after that click on the no button and click on the still have problem. Now here you have to write your problem, and you can also attach screenshot here and click on the report button. TikTok will respond you as soon as possible. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.